Good morning, people. How are you guys?
Hi, ma'am.
Okay, Ihan, turn on your camera. Amla, please turn on your camera. I'm gonna see her. Laser is not here. Okay, Ihan, I wanted to ask you something. Are you there? Ihan, dear, can you unmute yourself?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ihan, are you able to hear me? I'm talking to you, Ihan. Currently, where are you right now? Are you in Dubai or are you in India?
Dubai.
Dubai. Okay. Okay. I want you to do one thing. Can you join the auditorium now? Can you join the auditorium? There's a meeting going on. So join there. Not now, not now. 1 second, not wrong. Let me just give me 1 second, people. Everyone, until then, please get ready with your project presentation. Take all the things. First, we will have project presentation, okay?
Ma'am, mine isn't fully completed.
I cannot do anything regarding that, Haya. It was today's presentation day.
Now,
Yes, now.
can I just go last?
I
I
just,
think I can do something. Can I go last?
we'll see. Okay. Until then, everyone get ready with your presentation things. Where are your things? Get everything ready. Keep it on your
Ma'am,
side.
ma'am,
Yes.
which presentation?
Project presentation. First, we will be having project presentation and assessment will be there in the second hour. Okay. So first project presentation, then assessment. So get ready with your things.
Ma'am, in Canva, right? I already.
Not only Canva, you have your models, right? Get your models and everything also. Solar system model,
I bring my
fact
model.
file. Sorry, Ayman.
I bring my model.
Did you make a model of the solar system?
I made it. I made it.
Yes. Keep that on your side somewhere so that when your chance comes, you can present.
Can
Sounds
I
good?
bring it?
Yes. Go ahead.
Good morning,
Please
ma'am.
bring it. Good morning, Lazel. First, we'll be having the project presentation, so get everything ready. Your project, your models, fact file, everything get ready on the site. Okay?
But mine, oh, everything is on my Canva.
No, you are presenting a Canva, but you need to show your project as well. See, people, this is an actual assessment. Now, please don't debate or bargain with me. We have given you enough time. So, whatever you have, keep it ready, show it. Based on that, you will get your marks and your presentation. Sounds good? Hmm?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, keep everything ready. You can go and get it. Has everyone taken everything? Milan, have you taken your things? Amina set? Nice. You have 5-10 minutes. You can prepare whatever you have to prepare. Okay, I'm giving you time. Haya, take your time. You have time. Don't worry. Okay. Mamila, turn on your camera, please. Yes. Okay. Ihan,
Then why you keep staring at the
one,
screen?
one, one second, later, Ihan. Anselman wants to meet people, those who are there in Dubai right now, in auditorium. Don't worry, I will not start assessment with you, okay, without you. So can you join the auditorium now? Okay. We'll just wait until Ihan comes back, okay? We won't start without Ihan.
I don't want to go first. I want to go last. I want to go last.
I will call in order, you have to go in that order, so please let's not wait on that.
Uh, you know why, ma'am? Because I had to take that video of the solar system model, and I didn't do that. Not only did that, but also I didn't give. I you
Amina,
remember?
sorry, Haya, once you come for the assessment, you can say all that. You had 2 weeks time and you had time till today morning. Yesterday you had time. And this was said way before, so please don't fight with me on this. Do whatever you have to do now. Let's see. Others can prepare for your assessment, okay? Let's prepare for the assessment. If you are done with presentation, prepare for the afternoon assessment. Go through your lesson notes. We are having right now time. I'll give you 10 minutes time until Ihan joins back.
Where did Rehan go actually?